the probability of complete fill of interdental papilla in the given case is, okay, so here we have two teeth adjacent to each other. The connector is here. It could be a prosthesis, it could be natural teeth, because we cannot see any roots here. As you can see, there are no roots. So this is a prosthesis. So in between the two central incisors, how much will be the papillary fill? Okay, complete fill of the interdental papilla. Here the gap is 6 millimeters from the crest of the alveolar ridge to the tip of the papilla. The gap given is 6 millimeters. Now this is a very interesting question, and the concept that it is based on is also very famous. It is based on Tarnow's rule of 5. So this, according to this rule, Tarnow said that when the distance from the contact point to the interproximal osseous crest is 5 mm or less, there is complete fill of the gingival embrasure with an interdental papilla. So he and his co-workers, they proposed that if the distance from the crest to the papillary tip is 5 millimeters or less, then entire area will be filled with papilla. If it is 6 millimeters, okay, at the 6 millimeter from crest to contact, the chance of filled embrasure drops to 56%. So almost half the probability of getting a complete papillary fill by increasing just 1 millimeter of distance from the crest of the ridge to the tip of the papilla. Furthermore, if the distance is 7 millimeter, then the chances of papillary fill is only 27%. So, according to the Tarnow's rule of 5, the answer to this question should be closer to 50-55%. 50% and 55% are both there in options, okay? But according to his original study, it is 56%. That is why 55 is the closest answer, and that is the correct choice.